You asked, how to divide 4,074,575 by 63 using the long division method. 4 is too small. 40 is too small. Use 407. 407 divided by 63 equals 6. 6 times 63 equals 378. 407 minus 378 equals 29. Bring down 4, making 294. 294 divided by 63 equals 4. 4 times 63 equals 252. 294 minus 252 equals 42. Bring down 5, making 425. 425 divided by 63 equals 6. 6 times 63 equals 378. 425 minus 378 equals 47. Bring down 7, making 477. 477 divided by 63 equals 7. 7 times 63 equals 441. 477 minus 441 equals 36. Bring down 5, making 365. 365 divided by 63 equals 5. 5 times 63 equals 315. 365 minus 315 equals 50. The remainder is 50. The final result is 64,675, remainder 50.